Well, boys, this is ground zero. Me and my co-pilot here, Nullax.
We don't have music, but
here is our valiant steed. Not a bad looking Maverick. She rips pretty good. We got the drone out in force, so we got some air power. It is pretty dry out here. Yeah. But it is the fucking desert, Decibel.
You don't want to start a fire, that's for sure.
Nah. We'll be doing some drone flying, so I can't have the stream. And my fucking gimbal didn't charge. So I gotta actually manually sit here and hold the phone, which is stupid. But these are the lengths we go to create mediocre to lame content. Camera, do a barrel roll. There you go.
It's a cool guy. All in black.
Long sleeves.
Long sleeves. Hat. Black shoes. You know.
Yeah, I got them on. What can I say? I got the drippy drip. See our accommodations in here, pretty Spartan, but you know, you don't really need a whole lot to do this, I guess. All right, so now I get to sit in the passenger seat wearing these and just kind of hope that, you know, watch from my AC 130 gunship.
She would have brought something.
How worried are you about these adhesive things on the back of your phone case?
Sorry guys, I tried for you.
He did try for you there. Sag. I'll give you a little action here before we cut it off.
Cliffhanger. Guys.
Fucking there's that gimbal working, man.
Right. I can't zoom. Sorry, guys. Shit. That's stupid. That is stupid. There's some cows out there I was trying to show y'all.
There was a cowboy. That's just a cowboy.
Yeah. I thought it was a cowboy. Stopped for a second because we're ripping. We ripping.
Get some more drone footage, trying to make some cyclones out here in the desert. This is the hottest content out there. You gotta get it while it's live. It's kind of like them pop-up drops everyone really likes.
You gotta be paying attention today.
You gotta be paying attention. You see it or you don't. It is what it is. I mean, there are the VODs. But come on. You want to be here with us in the moment, walking out around in the middle of fucking nowhere.
Yeah, we are in the middle of fucking nowhere.
See, does this one zoom? Oh.
Nah, I can't zoom.
Well, I swapped the camera around too.
I know, I swapped it around too to try to zoom in on the cows.
That is
Because
fucking
my
dumb.
camera can zoom in on those cows. You can see them.
Middle of nowhere. Middle of fucking nowhere. Literally nothing around us for hours and hours. Asshole. Our UTV has not gone down at all in fuel, despite driving at least 30 miles. So, you know, we're a little sketched out about that. But hey, shit do happen.
Shit do happen.
Shit do happen.
If we get stuck,
Tuesday's gonna come get us.
he has an off-roading vehicle.
Yeah. And he said it was dirty, so he wouldn't even care.
Exactly.
You know. Zombie said he will come rescue you since you're in his backyard. Sick. Wait until we head out. The last stream segment will be the coolest. You'll get to watch me light about $4 a trigger pull on fire.
That's what it sounds like too.
It does. It is what it sounds
It's
like.
not even loud. It's just.
No.
That was very loud.
I warned you. No.
Silencer.
Don't gotta be loud to do damage. Better tell Zombie to duck a little bit though. Wait for him to find his way. Is this a little fire pit or is this cow shit? Well, boys, we out here again. We find ourselves on this, well, for lack of a better term, cliff, I guess. You know, there's definitely worse cliffs out there, but. Well, goodbye, $4. I liked you.
It's pretty loud.
Oh yeah, without hearing protection. Like, yeah, it is. Want to pull the trigger, any?
I'll pull the trigger. Fuck it.
It will be loud.
Very loud. That was very loud.
I warned you.
People should not really shoot these things
Without hearing protection?
Yeah, this is. I don't recommend it, guys.
You want to do one more? You good?
I'm good.
All right.
I'm deaf.
Now you know.
Now you know. You do not want to shoot those without, because you'll probably be deaf for a couple minutes.
Well, that's why when people shoot them in their cars, I'm like, bro, you're done. Well, it's good to know, because you might actually be in a firefight. I can promise you one thing: you're not going to have time to put your hearing protection in, so you got to at least know what to expect. With that, I leave you on that safety tip. Next time I see you, I don't know. But I'll see you, and you'll see me. Or you won't, because you're not here. Bye.